everyone, so it's Kim from Funk and Junk Furniture, and today I'm going to give you the big reveal of my kitchen makeover. You ready? Ta-da! Here it is! Hey, there goes Olivia! So anyway, I don't know if you guys remember what the kitchen looked like before. The cabinets were dated. I gave them a coat of French linen. I updated the knobs. The only thing that's missing is the new faucet, which is coming next week. But I think it came out great, and I just wanted to show everybody, to inspire you. Start with something small, start with a mudroom, but you can do this, and it's definitely, doable for everybody. So I'm gonna have classes, stay tuned, and you can see my upcoming class schedule. Take care.